How can I blow up a balloon without a pump or my mouth? Check it out. You're going to want to grab a funnel, a balloon, any bottle with a narrow top, baking soda from your kitchen, and some smelly vinegar. First, stretch the balloon over the bottom of the funnel so we can pour in the baking soda with no mess. Then, pour the vinegar into the bottle. Watch out for stinky splashes. Get stretchy again and put the balloon over the top of the bottle opening. Lift that balloon up and let the baking soda fall in. 3, 2, 1, cowabunga! Wow, where did all that gas come from? What happens if you tip it upside down? What's happening in there? Why do you think the balloon got so cold and kind of heavy if you take it off the bottle and tie it?